In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your recent players list from games on Steam account. If you've ever had a great match and forgot to send a friend request, this walkthrough will help you quickly find those players again. Start by opening the Steam app on your PC and logging into your account. Make sure you're in the desktop app, not just the web browser version, since the layout is a little different and the feature is easiest to access in the app. If Steam asks to update, let it finish so the menus you see match what I'm describing. Once you're in, look to the top of the window and click your profile name or the small avatar next to it. Depending on your window size, you might see your full name or just the profile picture. Either one opens the same menu. This pulls up your profile options so you can quickly access your social tools. From that menu, select Friends. If you happen to land on your profile page first, you'll also see a Friends option there. Either route takes you to the Friends window. This is the hub for your friends list, pending invites, and other social sections. In the Friends window, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Recently Played With. It sits alongside sections like All Friends and Blocked, and it's dedicated to players you've encountered in recent games. Clicking it will load a list of Steam accounts you've joined or matched with through multiplayer sessions. Now, browse the list at your own pace. When you recognize someone you want to reconnect with, click their name to open their profile. From there, you can view details like mutual games and recent activity, and if their privacy settings allow it, you can send a friend request right from their profile. Take a second to confirm it's the right person, especially if the username is common or the avatar looks generic. A few quick tips in case the list looks empty or shorter than expected. You may not see players if you haven't played multiplayer recently, if you were in offline mode, or if the game uses external matchmaking that doesn't report activity to Steam. Also, some players keep stricter privacy settings, so you might be able to view their profile without sending a request, or vice versa. Be respectful when reaching out. Sending a brief note with your request can help them remember where you played together. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.